Today I'm going to demonstrate a new product designed by Great Eastern. The model is GE 1200, which is actually RFID enabled drop box for the library, and it's fully automatic. It's conveyor driven, and after the transaction also it print receipts, and it's made up of front panel is made up of stainless steel, and the full body is powder coated with the metallic one, and it can be kept inside the library or it can be kept outside the library like canteen or in a hostel. To start the operation, uh, the application actually which is running on the system, it is also designed by Great Eastern, and this Dropbox is compatible with a Koha. It's a open library system, library management software, which is actually it's run on Linux environment, and this Dropbox is interface with the Koha, and it can be also interface with any other library application like Soul or any Windows compatible library application also. The process is that every book should be RFID tagged. If you can see, this is actually one book. It has already tagged with the RFID label and with the secret page. Uh, which will be pasted on a secret page. Every library has one secret page number, so it is pasted on a secret page. I'll show you another book. This is the RFID tag which is pasted on the book, and already this book has been issued at this automatic self-checkout kiosk, and now when I want to return it, nothing I just has to put this book onto the mouth, and since it is a conveyor determined, automatically the book has been detected. Now the system is detecting the book, and it found that book has been issuable, and it's checked the books and it drop into the box. And after that I put another book also. So generally the system allow to put accept one book at a time. It will, if you put any non-returnable book, the system will return. Suppose if you have taken any book which is not issued, and if you want to drop it, this books, for example, it is not issued into the system, and if you can see the accession number of this book is it's 08. You can see it is 08. So I want to return it. Book has been detected. It is showing it has been detected. Now it is showing non-returnable. To take it back, so book will come out from the system automatically. So it will, that means it will only allow the books which has been issued. And to close the transaction, this is the button. If you press, the transaction has been closed, and it will print a receipt, and receipt can be collected and it will be automatically cut. If you can see, I have issued two books, and these are the books detail. This is the slip number for your future reference, and about the return slip there with the date and time. And see, then the system is automatically ready for the next transaction. And if you can see this, if I go to the back side of the Dropbox, you can see this is the trolley. It's also made up of a stainless steel, and it is totally locked. Nobody can take it out, and it is controlled by a key. So to open the trolley, just turn the key. Now the trolley has been come out. You can see the two books which I have returned, it is there on the Dropbox. And to lock the trolley. Now the trolley has been locked. So you can see, other than that, it has also two indicator which we call as a trolley missing and trolley full. If I remove the trolley, now it is showing the trolley missing. That means the trolley has been come out from, the trolley is not there in the drop box. So when it is be connected the trolley, then automatically the indication will go above. So if suppose the trolley will be not suppose the trolley, if it is not there, if you can see, after some time the system will be go into a, you can see the trolley missing information will come, and it will not allow, the transact system will not allow for any book to be return up. So, and this will be automatically get clear when the trolley got detected by in the system. And other than that, it has got a trolley full. Trolley full, what happened now, when the trolley is get full, automatically the trolley full gets insert, the same message it will appear on the front screen, and it will not allow for any further transaction. And one more thing I want to show you about this trolley. This trolley is actually controlled by a spring balance. As the books comes down, you can see it will go down and go up. So and it is made up of cotton, so it will prevent the books it will prevent books not to be damaged while it is fall down inside the trolley. And also we have give one more feature, we call it as a trolley chain slip. Whenever if you want to change the trolley, and if you want to know what are the books has been collected on that trolley, so you just have to keep press the trolley chain slip for 2 seconds, and the whatever the books has been found, you will get a transaction slip on the front side. So it will give you a trolley summary, which will show you actually the about the last transaction which has happened on the trolley and what are the books are inside the trolley. So this we call it as a trolley change method. And so that is about the Dropbox. And for more information, you can visit www.geipl.com. Thank you.